friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Priscilla and welcome to Scylla Studios. As usual, I'm here to share my hair journey with you all while still sharing some entertaining content, okay? But today we're going to be styling these locks. Today is a recording day for me. I plan on recording some videos today here and there, so I'm just gonna get the hair ready and I wanted to share it with you all. So this is me just getting up from bed. I used my bonnet, I just took the bonnet off. And this is the reason why I'm so in love with locking my hair, because I woke up like this, literally. It might look a bit messy and not properly together, but it's okay. It's okay. I don't have to worry about detangling anything. And if you're a regular here, you know that I used to have my natural hair. I have 4C natural hair and I just locked my hair about a month ago. At the time of recording this video, it's been about a month. So let's just get it ready. The products that I'm using obviously is just water. And then I did get this product from where I locked my hair. It's for locks, or it's for dreads. It's a oil moisturizing spray for extra dry hair with conditioners. So I like this formula. I got it from the place where I locked my hair. This is the product. It's not heavy. Honestly, it feels like scented water to me. So I don't know where the oils are, but when I apply it, I don't feel that my hair is greasy in any way, but it's another form of moisture that I can add to my hair. It's like taking soda water with minerals, you know, rather than regular water. So that's the reason why I like it. And then I do use this edge control product for my edges just to lay them down a bit. The good thing about interlocking my hair is that once I go for a retie, or when I locked it, all the hairs were snatched up. So I did not really have a need for any heavy products in any way. Once again, if you're watching this video, and if you've watched my previous videos, I locked my hair October 19th, so I haven't had a retie yet. My retie has been scheduled for November 30th. So I did get it done about a month ago around this time, almost a month ago, and I'm just waiting to get my hair retie. My hairline is finer than other parts of my hair, so some of the locks have come apart, but with what I'm trying to do today, I might not braid them. I might just brush them up and then just do what I need to do. So let's get into it. So I usually start off with the water. Disclaimer though, I am not an expert when it comes to locks. This is my first time locking my hair. I am no expert. I'm just doing the just trying to figure and learn my hair as I go. This water spray bottle sprays the water in a mist form, so I love it for that. And honestly, relaxed hair in its natural state loves water, so you can never have too much water. See, I'm gonna talk about this real quickly. This is why I love putting water in my natural hair. Like, you see how the hair is like literally falling and it's more obedient. It's like, oh, I kind of like this look. Oh. Look at me doing the most, but this is just me applying water, no product, nothing, and the hair is already bouncing, it's awake, you know. So all you literally need is just water, y'all. Unless you have like super dry hair and you might want to add a conditioner here and there, but my hair is pretty normal aside from it being coarse and super curly. So once I add water, it literally conforms and then I can style it from there. I get that bounce and it becomes more flexible. So yeah, I love adding water to my hair. I love it. And you can get this spray bottle from Amazon. I'm aiming to do half up, half down with bangs. So let me go ahead and spread some of these in my hair real quickly, just to get that moisture, because I haven't done that in over a week. It does say it has water, oil, but I don't really, my hair doesn't look shiny in any way. I don't know. Once I do that, I just rub everything in. Like I said, I'm gonna do half up, half down with some bangs. So it's gonna pull the hair that I'm going to leave in the front part of my hair out. Because this is my own hair, you would notice that certain parts, like the length, are not even. So that's pretty normal with regards to the fact that this is my hair, so it's in its natural form or whatever. So those of you wondering why I locked my hair, I actually locked my hair because one, I had never done it before, so I wanted to try something different. And two, I just wanted something because I got in the habit of just creating twists in my hair, right? And every time I would do it, as nice as it was, it just took too much time, you know? It took more time than I was willing to getting my hair done. So it would take forever, but I liked the way it looked on my hair and the fact that it was one of the easiest hairstyles I could ever do with my natural hair. It was one of the easiest hairstyles. Once I twist my hair or put my hair mini twist or chunky twist, whatever it may be, like whenever I'm going out or I'm going to work, it's so easy. I just get a spray water on and I'm good to go. You know, I didn't really have to do much. So once I liked that idea, I started looking into locks. So that's why I opted for micro locks, sister locks. This is the first part. I pulled a few up, these are down. Once you add water, it's like that bounce, you know? Some people do add oils and stuff depending on how dry your scalp is, but for now, since I'm now starting, I'm just keeping product use to a very minimum because I don't want to mess up anything. And my strands are locked, so they started the interlocking process right from the get-go. My hair was already in its natural state, which is unrelaxed. You have to go to a specialist or certified sister loctician to retie and all that. But honestly, I'm at the point where I really don't want to be responsible for doing my hair anymore. I'm willing to pay to get somebody else to do my hair for me, that's all. And fine, I could have kept my unrelaxed, my natural hair and gotten somebody to do it for me. But where I am, it's hard to find places. And even if somebody would do it for me, I still have to maintain it on a daily basis. And I wanted something that would be easy to maintain on a daily basis like this. So that's why I opted to lock my hair. So yeah, I'm just going in with bobby pins to just hold the flyaways. So I'm just using bobby pins to do that. So I usually wrap it for like about 5 to 10 minutes. Gonna add a little bit more water because we like the water over here. So this is it, y'all. Your hair is done. The hair is done. The hair is done. Okay.